Scientists have identified an important cycle of HIV transmission after testing around 10,000 people from Umgungundlovu in KwaZulu-Natal. Previous studies revealed that young women below the age of 25 were becoming infected by having sex with men who are on average 8 years older. Now, researchers have discovered that a high number of older women between the ages of 25 and 40 are also HIV positive. And this group is infecting men of the same age.
These women have a very high rate of HIV infection. They have about 61.8% of them have HIV. So they then expose men to HIV. These men don't know they've been infected with HIV, and because they're unaware, they haven't been tested yet, and they then transmit HIV because they are having a second partnership with a young woman. And so we get this cycle continuing, that these young women then grow up into older, they pass it to men who infect the next group of young women who grow up, and so we get this cycle. We have to break this cycle. If we do not break this cycle of transmission, we will not be able to slow and stop the HIV epidemic in Africa.
Karim suggests a three-point plan to address this.
If we scale up circumcision in young men so that by age 25, when men are at their highest risk of HIV, they've been circumcised, and if we are able to offer PrEP, that is Truvada, daily Truvada to young women to protect themselves from HIV, these three interventions in combination could break the cycle.
A second study has revealed that a particular bacterium in the vagina increases the risk of HIV 20-fold, while a third study found that certain bacterium in 2 out of 5 women absorbed tenofovir gel, reducing its efficacy. Karim says officials must now look at incorporating vaginal testing as part of anti-HIV medication. And he says drugs that treat vaginal bacteria problems are cheap and available.
So our business is to look at what is available in terms of scientific evidence, to generate new information, new evidence, new knowledge, and we would like to hope that this new knowledge will feed into the policy processes and help guide and improve what is being implemented on the ground. That takes time.
Scientists compiled the findings over 10 years and will discuss them with South African authorities on Tuesday.